Good morning. It's Sunday morning, and this is just a quick follow-up on the light tinting. I'm getting ready to go do a little fishing, and I thought I'd just throw this on. It said it has 24 hours for a full cure, but since it's not windy, I don't think I'm going to get any sand on it. I think I'll be pretty safe. But here's the light lens, and I'm going to step into the Jeep, and I'm going to turn it on so we can see how it looks. A second here. And we got nothing there. It's on. It's pretty visible, I think. As compared to the front one, that's still in the orange state. I think we can see there. Might have sacrificed a little safety, but it does look hot. So I'll get another video when we're all done the rest of the lights. Have a great one.